cut fabric since I was very young, making all kind of skirts, shirts and so on. You might have noticed in my previous videos. And most recently I started making foot jewelry, as you can see here on my feet. One of the 4 designs I made recently in another project. Besides making all kind of semi-precious jewelry using all kind of jewels and silver. On this occasion I decided to make these hair pieces made of fabric. I can't call them scarves, I can't call them bandanas. Although they look like bandanas, I wanted to make sure they stay safe on my head, and they are almost like bobble hats. They're not bobble hats either. And I purchased 2 types of fabric, in black and in white. For the black fabric, I decided to use black lace with sequins, burgundy lace with pearls, and green and gold string. And for the white fabric, I decided to use pink and gold string, floral string, and a purple lace with sequins, as you are going to see pretty soon. But to start with, I decided to make my own paper model because, as I said, it was my first time doing this. So I had to take the measurements. So the head circumference is maximum 64 centimeters. The height is maximum 16 centimeters. So each of these 6 patterns, which I decided to make this hair piece of, is 10 centimeter wide. So each of them will be 16 centimeter tall, and at the bottom it will be a 1 centimeter difference between the bottom and the rounded area. I also decided to make another measurement to ensure I don't make any mistakes, and the height of 10 centimeters, I made sure that each piece was 7 centimeters in length. For this, as you can see, I used scissors, stapler, pencil, ruler, and of course the paper. This is a remnant from the paper I have, because it doesn't make any sense to destroy good quality paper on this. Step was to fold these scarves in 2, because having 3 patterns there, by being folded in 2, I will get 6 of these pieces which are going to be assembled together. And this process is going to also be reproduced with the white scarf. I got these 2 scarves on eBay. Altogether, I think they were $3.99 for the 2 of them. So a very low price. I asked the seller to send me these scarves in black and white. They have got lots of colors, and very important for me was to ensure that I have got a repetitive pattern. So when I assemble each scarf together, I'll make sure I have got a pattern there. So you might want to think about this too. And this is the haberdashery I used for the white scarf, after creating first the black scarf to see everything will be okay. And it was, thanks to the paper model which I made earlier on. So of course now is going to be an easier step and much faster in order to create the white fabric piece. I also have to sew those two haberdasheries together. As you can see there, I already put the black haberdashery at the front, only on a very small area, and I let a space at the back of the scarf in order to adjust it whether I'm going to have, say, a bigger hairdo, so my hair will appear bigger, or a smaller, so in which case the knot is going to be tighter around my head. I'm trying to put all these 6 elements together in a pattern I mentioned to you earlier on, and afterwards I'm going to sew off camera these 6 pieces, and these are the 2 fabric hair pieces in black and white, as I mentioned to you. I think the white needs something extra, so to give it some oomph, I decided to use these mirrored beads I purchased online from Indian sellers selling lots of beautiful Indian inspired haberdashery they import from India, and I glue them together using the silicone glue. It's as simple as that, and I'm very happy the way these 2 pieces look like. I can't wait to start wearing them. So I hope this inspired you too. I hope you are going to check the other projects on how to make the foot jewelry. You saw the beginning of the video wearing them, or how to make semi-precious jewelry using silver, sterling silver, and all kind of semi-precious beads, or how to cut fabric to make your own skirts, shirts, coats, jackets, and so on. Well, as ever, I hope this inspired you too. Have a nice day.